my friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am here with my annual massive Christmas Dollar Tree haul. Every year I say I'm not going to buy anything, and then every year I go crazy, but I have a really good excuse this year. They opened another Dollar Tree by me. It's literally on the main street I drive down all the time. It's like huge. It used to be a Walgreens. It's huge. I was so literally driving down the street going, oh my God, there's a new Dollar Tree. There's a new Dollar Tree. And my kid was like, really, Mom? Like, you need another Dollar Tree around here. I'm like, oh my God, oh my God. So, yeah, so a lot of this is bought in that store. So I'm just going to dive in. We're just going to go head first, dive in. Here we go. Okay, the first thing I'm going to start with is this. This is my favorite candy this year. And I'm going to be honest with you, it's really not even that good. I mean, they're good. They're Junior Mints. They're not even that great, like different than Junior Mints. But for some reason, that little candy coating that they put on the front of it just gives that extra little something something. So I always have to buy at least 2 or 3 boxes. So there's actually still some left in there because I already ate the other box. So I'm going to kind of start with home decor. I think pretty much everything else is gift giving stuff, like wrapping stuff. So I bought a couple of these 15 feet Garland. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but last year I remember thinking, oh, I should have bought Garland, or I should go get Garland. And by the time I went to go get it, it was already gone. So I said, you know what, this year I'm going to pick some up because I knew last year there was some place I wanted to have some Garland. So I picked up 4 of them, and then I also picked up these twisty ties to kind of tie them together, and you know, because these are pretty thin, they're not really too thick and heavy. So I thought if I could twist them together and kind of make them more substantial, that it would look better. So I bought 4 of those. Excited I have that. I love these candles during the holidays. I have a bunch of them right now for fall, and I just love like doing my little night routine of going around and turning them all on, and then going around and turning them all off at night, and just walking out in my living room and seeing all of them kind of glistening. I think I'm going to put some in my room this time. I typically just put them in my bedroom, my living room, and I was like, why don't I just get more and put some in my bedroom? So, because I'm typically in my bedroom, because my craft room is in my bedroom, so that's typically where I am. So I got a couple of more, so I've got 6 of them here, so I'm excited about that. And then I also got a couple of these. I have another one somewhere around here. I think I got 2 or 3 of these. I really like how these look with the light on them, that kind of gold twinkle that it gives off. So like that one. And then in my bedroom, I do decorate for my bedroom, and I have a really pretty bedspread. I will leave a picture right here. You're probably looking at the picture right now of what my bedspread looks like. And I thought that these would look really cool in the little tree that I have. I have a kind of like a little mini tree. It's probably about 3 feet tall, that I have in my bedroom. So I thought with that comforter or the bedspread, I thought these would look really good with those. So I did buy 4 of these, and I'm really impressed with this. I mean, they're not perfect. They have spaces, but for $1, I mean, they seem pretty good to me. It's not like somebody's going to be going up to my tree and be like, oh my gosh, that one has a space in it. From a distance, you won't be able to see it at all. All right, and then I bought this little Christmas tree. I'm doing like a Christmas tree theme in my bedroom. Or at least I'm attempting to. I don't really have a whole lot of Christmas tree stuff, but I love that I can buy something for $1 that's really cute that will just add to my kind of collection. I'm taking a book from taking some tips from a crafty girl who does like themes in each of her rooms, and I had never even thought about that until I started watching her, and I was like, that's brilliant. So the other thing I want to do is my bathroom. I want to do reindeers, which I do have quite a bit of reindeer stuff, and I was sitting there thinking, okay, well, I think most of my reindeer stuff is silver, but I really like gold better. Which one should I get? And I'm like, why am I even humming and hawing? Just buy both of them and it's $1. So they both came home with me. So I think the next thing I want to do is kind of go over like wrapping stuff like outside the packages. So here is a tag set that I purchased. I haven't really been too super impressed with their tags this year, but I did like this one. I really like this one, and I love the little the crane, the cardinal, and then that one's really cute too. So I did pick this one up. I have plenty of tags, so I didn't need any more tags, but you know. Now I did actually get these, and my hands on these. I was so excited because I got one for my mom, my sister, and my niece, and I was so excited that I was able to find all 3 of their initials. So I was super excited to find those. And then I thought I kind of never picked these up and never really looked at them, and then I was thinking these would make really cute little present toppers. I don't really like them specifically for ornaments, but I think they would look really cute on like a little bag or a little present topper. So I did pick up the red and the green as well. And now that I'm seeing them, I actually really think they're really cute. So I might go pick up more and just use them as, because if I'm doing Christmas trees in my room, those might look really cute in my room. But anyway, so that's what those were for. I found these cute bows. These were not in the Christmas section. They were just in the regular gift wrapping section. But look how cute and big these are. I'm doing boxes for my sister and my mom, and I thought these would be perfect. I'm doing like a 12 Days of Christmas box where we basically have this big box, and I bought a big box at Michael's, and then we do like little gifts for each 12 days. And then we're going to open them up, and that'll kind of be our Christmas and a way to connect every day during this season of COVID. So yeah, I thought that would be a good idea. But now that I'm thinking about it, the boxes that I got were both like a red tone. So I might actually have to go back and get another red one. Darn, I have to go back to the Dollar Tree. The things I do for my family. All right. The other thing I purchased was this ribbon. I need to actually, before I go back to Dollar Tree, I need to figure out what I have and already have enough of, but I definitely remember thinking last year I did not have enough ribbon. And now that I'm thinking about it, I think I would have purchased 2, but I couldn't find another one of these. I actually think this might look really cute in my December daily as well. So yeah, I might try to go find another one of these. I did buy some curly ribbon because I knew I was out of this. I ran out of my curly ribbon last year. And then I bought some twine. So excited about that. I'm actually going to put that in with my December daily stuff because I am going to use that too. And then I bought this Peace, Joy, and Believe because I thought these would also make really cute present toppers. So that's what I'm going to use for these. And then I went ahead and purchased some of their cards. I have to admit, I wasn't really impressed with their cards this year. They weren't up to the caliber that I like. But, you know, I did pick up a couple. Cup of Cheer. That's cute. The reason I don't like this one very much is because I feel like the reindeers look sad. Like they're in this like hot tub melting away. Like, I don't know, I just thought it looked sad. I don't know. And then this one, I really like this one. I love that wreath. Yeah, I actually really like this one, and the foil on it. I don't really understand this kind of dark colored burgundy envelope with this bright red. That kind of throws me off, but I almost feel like we could switch these two. I liked this one, 'tis the season to be jolly. I like the stars. I like the inside. Really pretty. I love the font on the inside. This one is super cute to me. Anytime I see any kind of Santa Claus outfit, Santa Claus stuff, I'm always drawn to it. And I love the little tag that's inside. It says Santa Claus. That is such a cute little touch. And the belt is popped up. So I really love that one, actually. I probably should have got another one of those. Love this one too. The little Christmas scene. The little star is a little gem. And I love that it's like a Christmas scene and it's like a little present. Really cute. This one, they kind of do this every year with a deer, and I've kind of done something deer themed like almost every year. And then I bought two of these because I just loved these. Joy to the World. Really, really, really beautiful cards. So we're doing a card exchange at my work. So I definitely will be giving a couple of these away. So you might think I'm weird, but I did buy a pair of red scissors because why not? I'm actually going to put this in my December daily stuff. So I can use red scissors when I'm all in. I'm all in for Christmas. Okay, so I bought a lot of boxes. Didn't need any of them, probably. Like I said, haven't gone through my Christmas stuff. Have no idea what I have and what I don't have. But I just can't stand it. I have to get the cute Christmas boxes. Because of my 12 days of Christmas thing, we have a bunch of little boxes. So it's like, I want the little boxes to be cute. So, I mean, and then I found these. I'm like, how can somebody not buy this? Like, how can you see this and think, oh, it's $1 and not buy it? I mean, I have no willpower when it comes to cute little boxes. And this is the cutest box. Look at the gold inside. And then it has like the imprint of the things inside the lid. And it's the shape. And then it's got the back piece. And I'm just like, I bought 3 of them because just how can you not? I'm going to use this. I'm going to set this right here. And it's going to be a little decorated piece for me. And then I'm going to give one of these to my mom and one to my sister. So there you go. And then I found these little tin boxes. Again, love this. 'Tis the season. I love this new pattern that they have. I love good holly. I love the font, the 'Tis the Season. I know they have this in like I've seen them. I personally haven't seen them. I've seen them in haul videos of like the oven mitts and the kitchen stuff, like the oven mitts and stuff. And then I know they have a coffee mug with this design, with this 'Tis the Season. I don't think it has all of this around it. But so this is kind of a newer design for them, and I love it. Living for it. And then I don't remember if this is new. I don't think I've ever seen this. I love this little Christmas. I think that's really cute. The way it's shaped like a little Christmas tree. So darling. And then this one, of course. I mean, first of all, I just love the boxes that are shaped like mailboxes. And then it's got this cute little design on it. And all the little trucks with the presents. And then, I mean, again, just I had to have it. Had to have it. And then I have a couple of, so I just bought a couple more of these. I really love these boxes. And there's 2 of them in there, so they're 50 cents each. And then I found these in the actual, like, not the Christmas section, but the regular gift giving section. So I really thought those were pretty too. And then I bought a couple of these. I bought 2 sets of these from Santa from the North Pole. Don't open till December 25th. So I think I'm going to use this one for the day 25. Because I think that's really cute that it says don't open till December 25th. And then of course these 2. I got 3 of these. I didn't find the big size. This size. I didn't find this size in this, but oh my gosh, look how cute the little Santa is. I mean, I just can't. I cannot get it. And then this one, wishing your seasons filled with joy. And I got the bigger one and then the medium-sized one. And that. And then I picked up this one. And then I also picked up these ones the night before Christmas. I just got those 2 sizes. This is probably my least favorite, even though I do like the plaid that they used. And then I purchased a couple of these. And what I do with these is, since my Christmas tree in my bedroom is not the Christmas tree that I put presents in, what I typically do with these is I'll just put some wrapping paper in them, and then I use them as decor. So I'll put them under the tree like they're just Christmas presents. So that's what I typically do with these boxes. All right, I got through it all. Okay, that was my haul video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys find all the stuff that you're looking for at Dollar Tree. I mean, come on now. Who doesn't love Dollar Tree? So I will see you again next time. Bye for now.